just a light breakfast of pancakes and eggs. Here at Butterfinger Pancakes. Meeting with a friend later. It was amazing. Say hi again. Did you like it? It's a little spicy, lots of spam, lots of sausage, so it's my favorite. It instantly qualifies as top 10. Currently on a mission. We are on the hunt for Mom's Seoul eye cream. We've just entered the other part of the mall, which is Shinsegae. Let us see. Ayun! We found it! Actually, we didn't. Our friend did. Yes! Every time I walk into a corner of this mall, I just realize how far I am from my starting point. It is huge here. It's amazing, and they have everything. It's cafe time again. Alright, just waiting for our order. And then we are going to go to the movie theater to watch Aladdin. Morning. Today is actually the day in the morning. Whoa. Gonna meet with a few friends today. Hi Claudia. Take it. Hi Lena, so nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Joey here.
I'm telling you that people in Korea are so nice. Alright, I gotta go check in my laundry. Bye, thanks.
We've been making new friends here in Korea.
Hi there. We're doing traveler adult duties, doing laundry at a laundry cafe. How awesome is that? Refreshed and pressed. Mommy! Hi! Hi! Camera ready? Hello!
Sweet and salt.
Yeah. Oh, we know that.
Make a good taste.
Sweet and savory.
Sweet and savory.
It looks like a part-timer.
What do you call this?
볶음밥. Fried rice.
그래서
It has a little spicy. Jimmy. Wow, it looks good. So Jimmy's I.
Alright, you guys, I think we found our cafe for the day. Oh, shall we go upstairs? We found our cafe, guys. We just did a stroll through the park so we can digest.
terrace.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Let's go up.
Hi.
That guy.
잘 나와? 와, 극혐. 이거 동영상이야? 동영상이야?
Cafe life never stops. Oh, I'm sorry, am I in the way? Yeonnam-dong, right? We're currently in Yeonnam-dong and it is so cool here because it's basically like an urban park, but better because there's shopping involved.
Yeah.
Yes! Alright, let's go check out one of the stores. And let's try to not get run over. Made it! Was not happening because it was breezy. It was freezing cold. So we decided to just get fried chicken near our hotel so that we don't freeze to death.
Oh my God.
Good morning from the taxi, friends. Public transportation is our life. We are off to do more laundry again today at another laundry spot. Wish us luck. It's cafe time, guys. How adorbs are these egg sandwiches? Aren't they like perfect little creations? coffee, an egg tart, a half-eaten croissant, iced green tea, and a quaint little cafe setting. It's just us and the owner. I have to say, our area is really cool. We're staying in Yeongdong-po, and it's near some really cool cafes. Another cool area called Hongdae, right? And Mapogu, which has a lot of other cool and trendy cafes. If that's your thing, Yeongdong-po is really great. No, so this is Yeongdong. This is Yeongdong-po. Yeah. The laundry shop is just like right over there. So it's like super near. Then there's another cafe and we picked up bread and sandwiches from there and just grabbed coffee from here. It's pretty fun in Seoul, guys. We're meeting with our other good friend. Mom calls her son. His name is Aiden. Where are you?
Okay. What about you?
Hello. Okay, we are in Paju Book City, and this is the Pinocchio Museum. So everything is like fairy tale themed. Ah, it's so cool. There's like nobody here because it's like a Monday morning. Oh, it's Paddington. Is it Paddington? I'm gonna be embarrassed if it's not. How cute. Every aspect. Wow. So Paju City is a little bit outside of Seoul. It's like it's like a larger town, but it's supposed to have like super nice cafes, kind of like this place. Interestingly enough, the road going back out is locked. We're out!
I was telling Melissa, okay, can you cross that gate? Let's go to taxi. And then she said, what about the car? I don't know.
I saw your... It's feeding time, y'all. again from over there. This is delicious, guys. I promise. It is so, so good. Alright, I'm gonna go finish this. And we'll see where we end up later. Okay, we are up here somewhere in the mountain, a little outside of Seoul. And we're gonna go to this cafe. Guys, this place is gorgeous. The area outside of Seoul is just as nice. It's our day out of Seoul.
Yeah.
Kind of by accident.
Very nice.
So good. So we just had a really filling meal of like porridge, and now it's time for coffee or tea. Nice. Dude, the cafes in Korea, they just don't stop. Yeah, here is good. Smoky. Korea's cafe culture is outstanding. I love it. Everywhere you turn and everywhere you go, every other store is a cafe. That's the really awesome part. Then they have the chain cafes, which have some of the nicest views. And then they have all these small independent cafes that are just super nice. No?
Yeah.
I love it.